A couple in their 30s moved in next door 3 years ago and do little to clean up dead leaves. We clean up the leaves that fall from their large maple tree in our backyard, but we are annoyed by the significant amount of dead leaves that have fallen in our neighbor's backyard and are blown into our backyard. So, after much consideration, we decided to put up a fence. These are the tools I used. You will need a garden drill to drill holes in the ground and needle nose pliers to open the metal posts' nails. I had two 50-foot lengths of wire fence, 5 feet high, and I prepared 13 of them. Pull the string to place the 13 metal posts to be built at equal intervals and place the metal posts in the line of the string. Wire fence should also be placed with metal post. A hole is dug in the ground using a garden drill at the position indicated by the thread. The depth of the hole should be up to the guide plate attached to the metal post. The metal post was first attempted to be struck with a hammer, but it still did not seem strong enough to support the wire fence. So I dug a hole in the ground and filled it with concrete mix to keep the metal post in place. The concrete mix was poured into half of the hole, and then water was poured in, and then another half of the hole was filled with concrete mix, and then water was poured in again. All this process is done for 13 metal posts. Level is used to check and correct whether the metal post is standing vertically or not. The concrete mix itself hardens within an hour or so after mixing with water, but the day I worked on it was cold and cloudy, so I decided to wait 2 days. There are a total of 8 jaws on one metal post. 6 of these jaws face up, allowing the wire fence to be inserted as it is, but the remaining 2 jaws face down and cannot be easily inserted. After much struggling, I was able to use a needle nose plier to open these jaws and insert the fence. Then, after insertion, the jaws can be bent back again.
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.